Hello friends, in previous tutorial we have printed 1 to 5 using for loop. In this tutorial we are going to use while loop. So first we need to define the initialization value. So the initialization value is $I is equal to 1. I want to begin the loop from 1. So while we need to pass the condition here. So up to when this loop should keep on looping, $I less than equal to 5, the loop should continue, and we need to echo $I dot br. So this is the concatenation operator. It combines integer value with a string. Okay, and what we are doing here, we are using br tag from HTML. So we can use HTML tags inside PHP code by keeping the HTML tag inside double inverted comma. Okay, and we are combining this with this integer value. Okay, now save this and run this. Oh no, what we have done here, mistake. We have not mentioned what it should do at the end of each loop. So it's at the end of each loop it should increment the value of $I. That's why it went inside an infinite loop. Okay, so now it will run perfectly. See, it printed 1 2 3 4 5. Okay friends, this much. If you have any query, any questions, comment below. I would love to help you, and I am going to meet you in another important tutorial. Okay, in next video tutorial we are going to discuss arrays, very important topic. Okay friends, thank you.